So I wanted to show you how to fill in some holes with some plumber's putty. Painter's putty, I should say, not plumber's. Again, I was just putting in a hole, you push it, and you just kind of rub it. And that way when you go over it with your paint, it's going to come out really perfect. You'll never see it. And you can paint over this stuff pretty much right away. That's the beauty of it. All right? You just have to make sure that these things are recessed, like any hole would be. Okay? There we go. I'm going to get another piece of it now to give you a little highlight of what I do. I just take a little piece of it in my hand. You work it into a ball. It's very simple and very easy. You work it into a ball, right? Just give it a work into a ball. And then down here, here's some holes, okay? You just push it into the hole. And that's it. Just rub it off afterwards. Push it into the hole. If you want, you can leave the stuff hanging like that, and I'll show you in a second what to do. But you just want to keep that ball, the painter's putty in a ball, okay? And that's what I've done. Then I come over and I get just a plastic spatula, like a plastic painting spatula. And you can go right over it like that, see? Yeah, just like that. Pretty simple. That's as tough as it is. So that's how to use it. It goes pretty quick once you get into it. It's not like spackle where you have to hit it once. This doesn't shrink. Sometimes it never even has to dry. Pretty simple and easy. I'm working it in. Yeah. I'll just show you the scraper again. That's as tough as it gets. I'm just going to finish a little section over here and then turn it over to my son-in-law to finish it up. But it's like anything else. Once you start getting into this, you kind of get consumed by it because it's kind of fun. And it goes easy and it's fast. Goes easy and fast. Now the other technique, you can just rub it with your finger. But I think the spatula is a little easier. I should say the plastic putty knife. All right. And these little screw holes here, they're easy to get. Just push into it. Push into it. That's it. So that's it for me. The rest of it's up to my son-in-law. We'll take that excess putty off. All right. It's simple and easy. So if you like my showing you how the plumber's putty works, just do a like and subscribe. I appreciate it and have a good night. Bye-bye.